Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to reset password in Sheen app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to reset your password in Sheen, it just takes few easy steps. So all you need to do first is simply tap open the Sheen app itself. So once you open it, you need to now tap on the sign in button. After you tap on the sign in button, you will end up in this interface where simply tap on register or sign in and simply type in your mobile phone number or email address and hit the continue button. Now as you have forgotten your password, simply tap on forgot password, then simply type in your email address and hit the submit button. After you do so, you will receive a link in your email address. So simply tap on the email address that has been sent to your mail, and once you tap on it, you can find the reset link right there. So simply tap on reset password, and once you do so, you will be redirected to this page where you need to type in your new password and confirm your password and hit the save button. Now after you do so, you can simply use this password as your password in Sheen, and this is how you reset it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.